Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to promote your Medium article. Promoting your Medium article effectively can help you reach a wider audience, increase engagement, and grow your followers. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to promoting your Medium article. The first thing to do is to share on social media. So you can share on X. Share a Medium article with a catchy tweet. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility, such as writing, Medium, I'm writing, or topic-specific tags. You can share on LinkedIn. If your article is a professional or industry related, share it on LinkedIn with a brief summary or comment. LinkedIn is a great platform for thought leadership. You can also share it on Facebook. Post your article on Facebook with an engaging introduction. Join groups related to your article's topic to share it with like-minded individuals. You can share it on Instagram. Share an excerpt or highlight from your article as an Instagram post or story. Use links in your bio or swipe up feature if available to direct followers to your Medium article. You can share on Reddit. Share article in relevant subreddits. To be sure to read subreddit rules, before posting to avoid spamming. You can share on Pinterest. If your article includes images or lists, pin the article link along with an appealing image to Pinterest, directing users to your Medium page. You can also optimize your article for search engines. Research relevant keywords related to your article topic. Include them naturally in your title, subheadings, and body text. A catchy SEO-friendly title helps your article show up in search results. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find the best keywords. Choose the right tags for your article when publishing. Medium allows you to add up to 5 tags which help your article surface in Medium's related content section. While Medium automatically generates a meta description, you can still optimize your introduction to include keywords that align with your target audience's search queries. Submit to Medium publications. Publications on Medium have an established audience, so find publications related to your article's niche and submit your work for consideration. Some publications allow authors to pitch their articles before submitting. Make sure to read the submission guidelines and follow them carefully. Also, collaborating with other writers within the publication or related publication can help amplify your reach. You can also start an email list. If you do not already have one, start building an email list for your Medium articles. Tools like MailChimp or Substack can help you collect email addresses and send out newsletters. Once you've built an email list, include links to your new Medium articles in your newsletters. Encourage subscribers to share your articles with others. And if you already have a personal blog, YouTube, or any other platform where you have an audience, go ahead and promote your Medium article there as well. Comment on other articles, respond to comments, and follow other writers. You can also cross-promote on your other platforms like personal blog or website, YouTube, and also podcast. Leverage paid promotion by joining Medium's partner program or using social media ads and using sponsored posts. Join communities and forums like Quora and forums. Encourage sharing. And use Medium statistics, that's article stats, to regularly check how your articles are performing. You can also use Google Analytics if you're sharing your Medium link on external platforms like your blog or social media. By following these steps and consistently promoting your content, you will increase your chances of reaching a broader audience, boosting engagement, and growing your Medium following. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.